Welcome back to Walk With Me Gym, and I had tea for two today. I'm going to let you see what I got up to. So I went for tea for two at the Doll's House on Harrow On the Hill, a lovely Victorian cafe, beautiful food and tea. Harrow on the Hill is so old and so beautiful, so beautiful. The cakes are absolutely delicious, such a lovely selection. The scones were so warm and fresh and absolutely stunning. I chose the vegetarian option, lovely sandwiches. My favourite was the hummus. Beautiful views of North London from our seats. Such a lovely treat while we eat. Somewhere to put up your feet. And here is some poetry on the wall, something to read while you eat. So it was delicious, and this is what I had to take home in the doggy bag. Even give you the cream and the jam to take home. Give it 10 out of 10. £27.50 per person. tea for two at the Doll's House in Harrow. I highly recommend it. The staff were fantastic and kept on asking us if you wanted a refill or anything else. Very attentive, 10 out of 10. Visit it, please.